Brown. Hayi ngifuna nje ukushifta kule nto kwi
Nana ke isatha trophy lapha ibona dinana.
yes
Hoje, muito. Menino lokhala. Bese ngale.
Namba nwanqamule wonke ama-umbrella ami.
hayi kokufanele ayikho into esazizoyenza ayikho into ozoyenza
Abalati baphumile. Yebo, awuthola umuntu ababuyisela.
Kakubona amathanga bemaningi besobala. Lesingayiboni ekhaya.
Please, bafethu. Asenzele 5 minutes kube 5 minutes bafethu.
Hambise nje phela.
Abatongelayo babe ontongela. Abasongayo bengasongi manje bazothatha isikhathi. Abaqhumsayo bayeka soqhumisa basiphuma so. Please bafethu. Isikhathi bafethu. Isikhathi soshaya bafethu. Please. John, ngicela uzame ukubiza abaqhumsayo bethu. Ubize nabasongayo. Ngoba yibo abazobe isikhathi esiningi lapho. Nalabo bona abashisa. Hayi mase fika uvalavula sesiqedile. Usukhona valavula. Yabonga ntwana yami. Project director. Sicela mfethu ukuthi la zama wathi la siyaphuthumisa. Sesifika ama WhatsApp balobetela. Awusiphi feature. Hayi. Bafuthu. Sizophuma ke feature manje. Tobeka. Nalo mngane wakho lapha. Alright.
Sesingaqhubeka. Kulama ports njengoba ewu3, port A, port B and port C. Njengoba bekushiwo kuma rules ukuthi kunama team seediwe na unseeded. So ku port A kunama team seeded and ku port B kunama team unseeded. Uzodonsa ngapha nangapha and then leyo team leyo kuzobe sekudepend ukuthi ke which is home and which is away. Which one is home and which one is away. For day 1 okuzobe umhla ka 24. And then after kuzophinde kuqhutsheke futhi kuphinde kudonswe ku seeded and unseeded. Then kuzobe seku day 2 lo okuzobe umhla ka 25. Singaqhubeka kwazi. Ozobe esenzela idraw namhlanje usiswethu omuhle ngaphuzinhle.
Okay, so I'm program director. As a seshilo, we've got seeded teams in Port A, unseeded in Port B. Draw. Njalo izoqala ku Port A. So after drawing ku Port A, sifaka la ku C, si draw ku B, sifaka ku C. Ku C is for determining home and away. Okay. Should the first feature for day 1, the home team kuzoba Umdisho FC. So Umdisho will play against, so we reveal manje opponent. Happy Crown FC. Second fixture, home team. 16 United versus Amajimbosi FC. Tannhauser Derby. Third fixture. Modakasi FC. Home team Modakasi. Versus Abachwepheshe FC. Fixture number 4. "3380 United izothiwa yasenqutha versus Dream Team FC. Fixture number 5, day 1, home team, Number FC. Away, Chairs Academy. Star Pirates FC. Versus D20. Home team, fixture number 7. Mondlo FC. Mondlo FC will come against Ompetha Bomhlaba. So Mondlo FC versus Ompetha Bomhlaba. Last fixture for day 1, umhlaka 24. Home team, DVD 11 I heard the team is from Devon. So versus DVD 11 versus Kenza FC from Danau. Or if feature for day one, the first 8 features as of now, 24. Umdisho versus Happy Crown, London 16 United versus Amajimbos, Mtakasi versus Abachwepeshi, 3380 United versus Dream Team, Number versus Chase Academy, Star Pirates versus D20, Mondlo versus Ompeta Bomhlaba, and then the last fixture will be between DVD 11 and Kenza.
Bafowethu ngoba siyenze ingane ndawonye ngicela ngizoyishutha le feature ngiphuthume sembela fast efepani yohlala phansi na 24
hayi
Wozanje bafowethu ngasabe futhi abafoneni aba-iPhone ayazuka amageba lapha ngithi asizume nje bese siyaposta masinyane sigijimise ngoba bayilindile emakhaya ngiyabonga Threat
Mana kucheka lapho mina manje.
ushaye nje ushiye lomunye ushaye gazi lami ushiye lomunye kanjalo
Siqhubeke to umhlaka 25 day 2 kalast 32. First feature umhlaka 25. Home team will be Mjali All Stars from Folcrust. So that will be home team for game number 1, Gamshala 25. Away, so they will play against the Ladysmith Juventus, the reigning champions. Second fixture of the day, Zebra FC. Zebra FC versus Comgang from Escort. Zebra FC versus Comgang. Fixture esithathu BK Masters. BK Masters will be home. Go fixture number 3 versus Young Chiefs FC. Fourth fixture, day 2. Home, Junior Warriors FC. Junior Warriors FC. Versus Morala FC. Fixture number 5. Home team Sunrise FC from Mpumalanga. Sunrise versus VJ Stars from Wanungo. VJ Stars FC. Picture number 6, day 2. Puzzle United. Puzzle United will be home against Bebe All Stars. Fixture number 7, day 2. We've got Amandlela Ndawonye. They will be home. Fixture number 7. Versus Hellenic Hotspace. Hellenic Hotspace. So last fixture. Empangeni All Stars. Empangeni All Stars. They will play against PP Buffaloes. So that will be last fixture, day 25. But it is also important to note what I go shooters or landelana on the sequence. As per rule book, who call not fixture is also miss or at the way cards, let's say in yesterday.
Kancane guys, please, before ni shoot njoba besho nje ukuthi ikhatha kakabize nalezi uyena game 1 game 1 sazoshintsha besicela nangu ubuphilo uzochaza ukuthi ke khamba kanjani.
Okay. Ngibingelela futhi laphayana ku booklet ye tournament sizobheka u12.6 onaya ngayivula osefonini na ngayichecka. It is the LOC's prerogative right to decide any fixture schedule in accordance with Rule 12.1 and 12.2, meaning that fixtures scheduled can be changed as and when necessary. some of the seeded fixtures to be played later on the day until the last stage of the tournament. Kusho ukuthi lokusidwa kwama games kuzogcina kuma semi-finals, ama semi-final kuphela engeke kwenzeke kuwo lento yokushintsha kwesikhathi. Siyabonga.